welcome back to the channel, Ian Sucks at Welding, where I try to suck a little bit less at welding. I'm going to take the lessons I learned yesterday when I knew nothing about welding and apply them today when I know next to nothing about welding. Let's see how it goes. It sucks a little bit yet less than yesterday. This is the gas tank from when I first got the old bike, and I've already ruined this by digging a hole to get the petcock bung out, but it's thin, and I want to see how much time you have to sit with the TIG welder to burn a hole through something thin. So that's what it looks like to blow through. It wasn't easy to do, but once I did it, whew. Let's try that again. So I did not blow through that time, but I wasn't all the way up on the amperage either. All the way up. Ooh, that's bright. So that was a good 5 seconds and didn't blow through. Let's see if I could build any of this back up. I don't think I can. Not real easily, anyway. Alright, what's next? We've got these two pieces of pipe, and these are 3/16 thick. They're very large. This is what I'm going to try to do with the frame, though, before I sleeve it. So, what I'm going to try to do here is a tack weld on each of the 4 corners of the circle, and then lay a bead in this slightly beveled groove that I've made. Probably won't work, but we'll see. And I've contaminated my tungsten. It's not too bad though. We can keep trying. It actually tacked it! I'm shocked. Alright, I think that's happening because my tungsten is contaminated. Contamination. There are also a few things that I know that I'm doing wrong, but I'm not worrying about them because they'll come with practice, I believe. That tungsten is donezo. Ah, it's because I turned off the gas. Rookie mistake. I'm actually having a little fun though. Look at that, nice tungsten. Then let's turn on the gas this time. I hear a big mistake is getting frustrated and not regrinding your tungsten when you get it stuck to the base metal. Just regrind it, apparently. A lot of guys will grind a bunch of these and then they'll just swap them out instead of what I'm doing. Alright, so here's my welding. Say it's pretty ugly, but it's not as ugly as you might think for second day of welding. It's pretty warm. It's on there pretty solid. Would it stand up to, say, x-ray examination? Nah, but I don't care about that. I guess I'll have to change the name of the channel to Ian Sucks a Little Less at Welding. Hope you laughed.